Hi everyone! This presentation is going to be on bicycle safety. So what is bicycle safety? It's really important to stay safe when riding your bike, as you know. Bicycle safety includes things you can do before, during, and sometimes even after riding your bike to keep yourself safe. Riding a bike is a really fun and a really effective way to exercise, and by staying safe, you can make the most of it. So the single most important thing you can do when riding a bike, before starting to ride it, make sure you're wearing a helmet. Wearing a properly fitted helmet is the single most important thing you can do to ensure your safety because the helmet protects the most important part of your body, your brain, and you really don't want to get that injured. What else can you do? There are a lot of important things you should also do when you're riding a bike. First of all, remain alert at all times and pay attention to your surroundings. Make sure your bike works properly, and it's extremely important that your brakes work. Always stick with your parents or a trusted adult and make sure that they can always see you. You also want to wear proper bike gear. Whenever it's possible, you should ride during the day only and wear neon, fluorescent, or other bright colors. Sometimes I like to wear like a highlighter yellow. If you must ride at night, wear reflective clothing and gear. Attach a white front light and a red rear light and reflectors on your bike and ask your parents to help you with this so you do it right. Ride a bike that fits you. If it's too big, it's harder to control. So you don't want your feet to be reaching to reach the pedals, but you also don't want your knees bumping against the handles. Not too big, but also not too small. Also, ride in a predictable straight line so that people or cars or other bikers around you know where you're going. Use hand signals when you're turning and use extra care at intersections because you don't want to run into everyone, of course. And try to stay away from cars. Ride on the sidewalk, at a park, or in your neighborhood when you can, not on a road. But if you have to ride on a road, stay in a bike lane. This is what a bike lane looks like. You want to stay in this area. Lastly, if you're learning to ride a bike, make sure you're with a parent or a trusted adult at all times. You always want to have a parent or an adult with their eyes on you, making sure that you don't get injured or run into anyone. Also, wear your safety gear. You're a lot more likely to get injured while learning how to ride a bike. You might scrape your knees or elbows, so you do want to wear your safety gear at all times. And also, don't go on roads unless you're completely sure about your skills and you know that you've learned to ride a bike. You don't want to lose control of your bike on the middle of a road. That would be a really bad idea. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.